So hi guys, a very good evening. I'm Jashin Kapani. I hope you can hear me. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. A fantastic day. Staying indoors and kind of enjoying the mind-blowing air conditioning of the best malls of the country, DLF Mall, which is the largest mall. It's beautiful here. It's amazing here. I'm here after a bit. And I'm reading this very interesting set of lines which is talking about passion, and it's talking about the intention to do something. So a lot of people feel that to achieve your goals, to kind of have your dreams in place, to kind of have a business idea rolling and stuff, and to kind of achieve something you're setting out to, passion is really important, So my counter take on that, I thought I want to share is that it's not just passion, but you got to have like determination along with that. And if they say that if you think you're going to have a passionate life and you're going to have passion daily, it's not an easy task, because being passionate is different, but to get the ball rolling and to get the goal accomplished and to achieve your task is something which is which happens when you kind of keep at it persistently and you keep moving forward. So the set of lines is kind of making us want to think about a few things. Passion is what? Passion is attaching yourself to an idea. Passion is attaching yourself to an outcome. Passion is something you love doing. You want to keep doing it. You enjoy doing it because it gives you a certain feeling. But many a times you're not in situations, or we're not in environments, or we're not in job profiles. We're not along with people we enjoy and stuff. So what happens to the passion then? So I think I've seen this dealing with so many people and meeting so many different people, stepping out of my comfort zone, interacting and meeting people I don't even know, and now that I do that daily and I have a conversation with anybody and everybody, the crux of it is that everybody is setting out daily to do what they're setting their heart on and stuff, but it's not the same story everywhere. So even if people are disheartened, even if people are kind of not able to meet the objectives they're setting out to, they kind of keep the momentum going and stuff. And if you do a job, or if you're implementing an idea, or if you're doing something which you're really fond of, you're going to put in more energy to that. But many times you may not have the appropriate setting, like I said, or environment, or the culture and stuff. So what do? So in that case, this set of lines is really helping, and it makes sense because when you set out determined to do something, you will kind of make an action plan and make it happen. And if you say that you're going to do it even when it's hard, that's when you kind of end up building real strong foundations and the ability to cope with many things. So there's situations in lives, personal, professional, creative people are different, brand managers are different, leaders are different, architects are different, students are different, amateurs are different, journalists are different, mall owners are different, storytellers are different, sports people are different, so everybody has a different life and a different way of doing things. So the same outlook and the same rationale doesn't apply to everybody. And logic, as they say, if you heard, Albert Einstein can take you from A to B to C. Rest of it is imagination, So you kind of have to kind of you have to have some dreams, and you have to keep on going and stuff. And you got to keep your imagination happening with it. If you're a creative person and you feel saturated, you have to find environments and areas or people or company which kind of help you bounce back and stuff like that. And if you're not able to do that, then nobody else is responsible but you. But keep trying and keep pushing. And this is what the author is saying, that being in a job is like being in a relationship, being in an idea, or being in a creative pursuit, or being in something which you do is more or less unrealistic sometimes. So you have to have the can-do attitude, and you have to keep on pushing and experiencing and sending out the positive energy to the universe, and kind of refocusing and realigning and planning yourself to take the next action. If you keep sitting here and thinking, what am I going to do next? Somebody said this to me, somebody said that to me, somebody didn't appreciate me, somebody made a nasty comment on me, somebody didn't react and respond the way I wanted them to do and stuff. So all of that is bullshit. You got to kind of be strong enough to kind of elevate and rise above all of that. Because if you were kind of if you end up looking at life or the world or the day as how people are showing you, thanks to social media, thanks to personal relationships, thanks to what some unpleasant people do, you know, you're not going to be able to achieve your goals. So keep yourself strong, keep your head high, you know, and walk the talk, and action makes everything happen. कहते हैं कि यू नो इट्स लाइक अ ख्याली पुलाव, आपने दाल बनानी है और आपने गैस पे रख दी है, मगर आपने उसको लाइट नहीं करा है, यू नो, सो यू नॉट गोइंग टू बी एबल टू मेक दाल. So similarly, if you want to kind of achieve something, you can't just sit around here and talk about it and think about it. You got to take action. So I'm sharing this thought because action helps, and if you are kind of reasonable with yourself and you're able to kind of go with it, and you're able to do daily steps add to the larger picture, and the larger picture you know is kind of in there with you till the last day of your life and stuff. So it's too early for us to even talk about life because we don't know what's going to happen the next minute. But stay positive, stay optimistic, stay realistic, and keep going with the flow and stuff, and make the best use of your downtime, your high time and stuff, because the tide doesn't remain the same, you know, the flow doesn't remain the same, and you see the sea and you see the cyclone and stuff like that. So similarly, be a cyclone and look at the world through your own eyes, looking at the beauty and the longevity of it, rather than looking at what some people show it to you as and stuff, you know. So take care of yourself and have a great day. And if you want to kind of pursue passion, you're going to have similarly you know, relatable passionate relationships as well. And energy of people is different. Everybody doesn't think different. Everybody doesn't I mean everybody doesn't think the same. Everybody thinks differently and stuff. So if you can find synergies, that's great. But if you have different opinion and stuff, it's even better, because different perspectives and different outlooks kind of give you more experience, and they help you kind of learn and know more, you know. So intellectualism, learning, kind of absorbing research and everything plays a very important role. So at each step really you learn something. So I'm sitting here and I'm looking at the branding in the mall, I'm looking at the lighting, I'm looking at the color themes and stuff, I'm looking at the designs, and I'm looking at the creative stuff, and I feel, oh my god, it's such an amazing life, you know. People have spent so much of time kind of thinking through and putting their heads through all the designs and all the concepts and stuff. So rather than spending your time on social media all alone, it would be a great idea to kind of get out of that virtual reality and the world which is kind of living on a lot of TRPs and FOMO and stuff like that. Be in the real world and soak up more information and, you know, kind of kick ass, you know. So love and love, take care, thanks for your likes, thanks for your messages, get well soon and stuff. You know, it's warm, but then you kind of look at the solutions and stay hydrated, have ORS, coconut water, have lots of beverages and stuff, and you know, mind management is most important, because weather affects everybody. So you know, you have to kind of be more mindful of how you're feeling and how you kind of going to counter attack it and stuff. So as much of work you do on other people's stories and lives, which many people do thanks to social media, it's advisable to focus on your own self and kind of manage your own emotions and your moods and stuff and all that. Okay, moods are passe, you know, it's all about mind management, so do that. It's a pretty regular word which is used by people, you know, so be in control, and if you can kind of focus on the positive of the weather and stuff, and the environment you're going to get into and what you're going to do as you enter after you've counter-attacked heat. That's where your productivity, that's where your efficiency, that's where your creativity, that's where your intellectualism, and that's where your energy is going to flow. So all the best, and take care and have fun and have a blast. Wishing everybody a great midweek, and inshallah, let us hope that the weather remains as normal and sober as this, and too many more meetings and many more thought shares and stuff, you know. So take care, love and luck, bye bye.